Y'all, I am having some doubts. Oh, what did I get myself into? What's up, y'all? My name is Duana, aka Glamazon1026, and today is a little bit of a we putting on this wig, child. This is how I'm giving you how it look right now, and you're gonna see the struggle that I went through to get it like this. So if you guys want to see me melt this lace, I use those quotation marks very liberally. No, not liberally, like, if you want to see it, stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I'm here looking like Cleo from Set It Off, about to put this wig on, hopefully. I never did this really good before, but I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos, so I'm gonna try. I don't think that the lace looks that bad, but I did buy a lace tinter from my beauty supply store. It's called Eben New York Tinted Lace Aerosol Spray. Doesn't leave any residue either, so that's good. So this is how it looks now. It's a little bit dark, but I think it'll be okay. Can you see? We'll figure it out. Anyway, I'm not doing a ball cap method because I don't have time for that. I don't want to do it. It takes a long time, and I'm not good at it, so I'm not gonna do it. So if you guys haven't watched the video where I colored the unit, I have it right here. It's not as light as I wanted it to be, but I do really like the color. When I was doing the intro, I forgot to tell you that it has 3 combs. So it has 2 at the side and 1 at the bottom. It also has these bra strap things down here. I was gonna put in an elastic band, but I got tired. I didn't want to do it, so. Okay, y'all, we're gonna get into this. I felt like I was talking too long, so I cut a lot out. I have just sprayed the Got To Be spray on, and I'm just blow drying it for a little bit. And then when that gets a little tacky, I'm gonna throw on my Thank Me Later gel. And I'm just really gonna try to get this wig to stick on to the tacky layer of the Thank Me Later gel. I'm excited about it because, well, not excited, but I'm happy that it's actual gel for your hair and not like glue, because, you know, it hopefully won't pull my edges out. Okay, I think it's going. It's not great. Like, I think I'm gonna have to do some more, but I'll do this. I'm going to take this stocking, actually. I'm just gonna tie it down real tight. So that we can make sure it, oh Lord, I'm having some trouble. Help me, Jesus. But we're gonna tie this down so that we make sure that the lace is fully saturated and stuck to my forehead. Okay, y'all, it's been probably about 15 minutes. So I'm gonna take this off and hopefully it's stuck to my head. I feel like it's stuck. Oh, it is stuck, it's stuck. All right, good. I guess it doesn't look that bad. I mean, I still look like a samurai, but samurais were good people, so, you know, they were protecting their lands from feudal lords, XYZ, so, you know, whatever. All right, so now we're gonna cut the lace, and I bought some shears, but those are huge. I've seen people use eyebrow things, so I'm gonna try and use that. Try and do that and cut this lace off. It's stuck to my scalp and it hurts, y'all. My poor skin getting peeled off. Y'all, I know it looks a mess, but don't laugh at me. It's just because I bought the wrong wig, okay? And there's no space for me to like y'all saw if y'all saw the other video, then y'all saw like I don't have no space to pluck the edges. They bamboozled me, they tricked me. I thought this was a full 13x6, not just a T part. Unless I just didn't read right. I mean, I did order it like 3 o'clock in the morning, so maybe my anxiety-induced insomnia made me not read right. I don't know. These were the lace front wigs that we banned early on in the beginning of lace fronts. Like lace fronts available for the public, not lace fronts available for like celebrities. This was it. It was this one. It was this one right here. But we gonna make it work, child. Watch. Where there's a will, there's a Duana. Tell y'all one thing about me, I will make it work. All right, I think that's as good as it's gonna get for now. So what I'm gonna do is clean off all of this glue from my hairline with some alcohol. It's not even in the middle of my head. I don't really have a middle of my head. Oh my gosh, y'all, this looks crazy. But it's okay, it's okay. We about to baby hair it up. We about to baby hair it up. We about to baby hair it up. Y'all, this is so crunchy. I'm not talking to you. I am having some doubts. Oh, what did I get myself into? I really thought this was gonna be easy, y'all. I really thought it was gonna be easy. Who told me I could do this? So y'all, I'm just using the olive oil foaming mousse to just kind of slick these baby hairs down. And then I decided they were too long, so I cut them again. And then I tried to wipe the hair off of my face and it would not wipe off. It was too much. So I gave up and I was like, let me just go to the other side. All right, so now we're gonna try to lay the baby hairs down in a way that does not remind me of, you know, I don't know, in a way that's not too aggressive, but will cover up this lace, you know, this booty, this booty. Here we go. I'm gonna use the pattern first. How about that? Use the pattern. I like it because it's like pliable. You put it down and you can still move the hairs, you know? This is hard. This is hard, y'all. This is like, I feel like this is harder than figuring out how to do acrylic. So that says something, because that was hard. Oh my God, I look crazy. Do I look crazy? Do I look crazy? I think I look crazy. I feel like I'm seeing the vision, but I can't achieve it. Y'all, I promise it took me like an extra 20 minutes just to do these baby hairs. I was so stressed out. It's not as easy as they make it look on television. It really isn't. Sophiology, Miss Rosh Posh, LaRasia Andrea, all of y'all was lying to me. Taylor May Jane, like y'all was lying. This is hard. And I'm just gonna brush this part back because, you wanna know why? Because this hair not coming up anyway. Like I'm not putting it up. Okay, so that's that. We're gonna leave that like that. Oh man, you wig scientists are magicians. It's magic. It's really magic how y'all be doing this. And y'all be so good at it too. Me, I'm struggling. All right, so we're gonna put this down here like this now. And I am going to put a face on. All right. I don't think it looks that bad. I think we can fix it. I told y'all we was gonna make it work, right? We are going to make it work. So now I'm just gonna part this middle space right here. The one good thing about it is that it definitely does go back pretty far. So that's good. This part right here in the back looks a little wiggy. So I'm going to take this hair wax stick. I don't know, I just saw everybody using it and let me tell you something. I didn't know what it was called. I just went on the internet and was like, what do people be sticking down their wig hair with? And it came up and I said, okay, that looks like it. All right, so we're gonna do that. And then I have a hot comb. I'm gonna hot comb it down so that it lays flat. And then they also like hot comb this area too. And then over here, I'll do the same thing. Don't mind that. We just gonna pray that we don't got no stiff winds blowing today. That's what we gonna pray about. Okay, all right, I think that's good. Right here still look a little high. Maybe I just need to brush it. Now let's look and see how we're doing. How are we doing, y'all? Oh, okay. It's not terrible. It's not like amazing, but it's not like, I told y'all I was gonna make it work. I told you. I told y'all I was gonna make it work. Let us begin. I really like this color. Like I wanted, you know, gold, but they said it's fall. So we're gonna give you a nice copper. So before we take out the clips, I am going to just touch up this parting space because it looks a little wiggy. I'm gonna take this NARS concealer in the shade Amande, and this is very close to my skin tone. So I'm just gonna put it on this little liner brush and just dab it. And now we're going to take out these pins. See what we got, what we're working with. All right, y'all, here we go. Here we have it. I'm looking cute. Okay, as long as we don't like do this, we're fine. This is acceptable. It was much harder than I thought it was gonna be. The people who do wigs all the time and put these things on all the time, you guys are magicians, you guys are wizards. I just really love how everything came out. Like even the color is just beautiful. And I got the little money shot or whatever it's called in the front. It looks good. Okay, we're not gonna do that. We're doing too much now. Just leave it like this. But it looks cute. I am happy with the way this turned out. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below. If you have any tips for melting lace, let me know. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is make sure that the wig I buy is a full frontal and not just like a little bit out in the edges. That way I wouldn't have to had gone so aggressive with the baby hairs. But yeah, I think I think this is really cute. Anyway, give me a thumbs up down below if you like this video. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can be a part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Little.